How to change background color on Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change background color on Instagram stories. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Suppose if you want to change your background color of your Instagram stories to red, blue, yellow or any other color according to your preference, then this video is for you. Firstly, open and launch your Instagram applications on your device. Make sure to sign in and log into your account. Now swipe to the left in order to access to your camera section so that you can easily add your stories. At the bottom, you need to select a story, and after that, when you tap on the create icon at the top left corner of the screen, here you will land on this section where with the help of the small circle at the bottom right corner, you can easily change the background color for your story. But if you don't like this one, you can easily exit from your section. And what you can do is simply you can tap on your story at top left corner of the screen and add any of your video or photo as regular. And once you add any video or picture, then your background will seem like this, like gray or black. So to add any other different background color, what you can do is tap on the three dots at top right corner of the screen and select draw. Here you can easily choose any color palette from the color palette at bottom of the screen and make a dot at the center. You can easily tap and hold this dot and your background color will be changed. But unfortunately, our picture has been removed. For that, you don't need to worry. Simply tap on the down button and then tap the sticker icon at top of the screen. Here, you can easily select the photo icon from this section and easily add any photo of your wish that you have added earlier as well. So, as you can see that we have successfully changed the background color. Now you can place this photo or video any way that you like and add any other sticker, text and many other things and tap your story at the bottom left corner and successfully change background color of your Instagram story. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.